how to see Gmail account password in Gmail. So if you want to see the Gmail account password on your Gmail, then first you just need to open up your Google or your Gmail, anything that you're comfortable with. So simply tap on your Google account or your Gmail account and go for the upper side, which has that profile option. Tap on manage your Google account, and here you need to swipe and then go for security. Under security, you need to scroll down, and here you will have an option of your saved passwords, or you will have an option of password manager. Tap on manage passwords. Once you tap on it, here you can search for the password. So simply go for the search and search for Gmail or Google. So once you search for Gmail, here you will have an option of Gmail. Here you will have an option of gmail.com. But if you don't have the option of gmail.com, you need to simply search for Google, and you will be able to have the Google password. So I have not saved any passwords on my account. So if you have google.com or gmail.com, you just need to simply tap on it. So for example, I'll be tapping facebook.com, and you need to enter your screen lock or your password, and then you will have this kind of interface where you will be able to see the password of your account. So in this way, you'll be able to see the Gmail password in your Gmail account if you've saved it. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.